Hello and welcome back to another video. Again, the topic is isolating quantities, and we're doing hard questions. Let's see a garden. It is a rectangular garden, has a width of 2x meters and a length of y meters. The perimeter of the garden can be represented by the equation 2x plus 2y. If the width of the garden is increased by 3 meters and the length is decreased by 2. So, which of the following is the new perimeter? So I have p equals to 2x plus 6 plus 2y minus 4, the new perimeter. So 2x plus 2y plus 2. Yep, that should work. The next short question, it says amount of money M that needs to be invested in a savings account at an annual rate of R to have a balance of B after T years can be found using the formula this. Find the formula that shows the interest rate R in terms of the vested amount, balance, and number of years. So I want to make R the subject. I want to first say that 1 plus R power T equals to B over M. Then 1T, 1 over T, Tth root basically. So that gives me 1 plus R equals to B over M power 1 over T. R is B over M. Should work. Question number 3, the equation above shows the amount of interest I earned on an investment P at an annual rate of R compounded continuously over a period of T years, which of the following represents the time in terms of the interest, initial investment, and interest rates. Let's start moving the numbers. I want to make T the subject. Okay, this sort of relies on your understanding of logarithms, so I don't think it's a SAT level question, but I'm still going to do it. I'll have to use an ln in order to reverse this exponential. That's not part of the SAT. Unless you know that, you should skip over this question. T is basically minus 1 over R ln I over P. The next question says between 2010 and 2021 and the 2010 and 2021 Japanese currency consisted of 2 coins valued at 1 yen each and sen valued at 10 yen each, which equation best expresses the total number of yen coins y and the sen coins s required to make up a total of 650 yen in a single equation. Okay, 10 times s plus 1 times y should make total of 650. Okay, that should work. Oh, I picked out the wrong answer option. I wrote it correctly though. Okay, the accumulated interest I on an initial principal P after n compounding periods can be determined by the equation. Which of the following equation isolates the interest rate factor? So I want to isolate capital R. So first I divided by P, then I put a power n on both sides to cancel out this power. That's R. I think that should work. Okay, some more hard questions. Which of the following equation isolates time? So I want to make T the subject. Now this one's going to be a little tough. Why? Because I will have to at some point involve completing the square. Okay, because I cannot isolate T on its own. So I have a gut feeling that this should be the right answer. Why? Because if I want to solve this quadratic in T, I will have to invoke the quadratic formula. And this is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. Yeah, that should work. Okay. Which of the following equation isolates the length in terms of the period and acceleration due to gravity? So T over 2 pi equals to root L over G, square both sides. Okay, L over G, and L then becomes the subject. So I think that one works. Then says the kinetic energy is this. If the kinetic energy and mass are known, what is the formula to find the speed of the object? So 2k equals to mv square, 2k over m, and then root. Okay, in the equation above, F is the gravitational force between objects with masses m1 and m2 and the gravitational constant, and d is the distance between the objects. Which of the following equation represents the distance d between the objects in terms of the gravitational force, masses, and gravitational constant? So I want to make d the subject. So d square equals to g of m1, m2 over f. That's the same question that I appeared before. I think that should be the correct answer now. I don't think it's going to let me move on without repeating most of this. So hopefully I remember the answers that were there. Okay, I remember these answers. Yep, that's the end of the session. I will see you in the next session with a new video. Thank you for watching.
Welcome to Edge Learning, where we are changing dreams into success stories. Let's go! At Edge Learning, we offer courses to help you excel. Whether you're preparing for the SAT, aiming for IBA and LUMS, need O and Alevel tuition, or IELTS coaching, we have the right program for you. Forget about boundaries. We offer learning anywhere, anytime. Our expert tutors provide personalized attention in various batch sizes and one-on-one sessions, along with pre-exam review workshops to ensure you perform your best on test day. Join us at Edge Learning and take the first step towards turning your dreams into reality. So what are you waiting for? Register now or call us.